Today's the day. We're finally gonna fix the brakes on this one here. Give you a gander on what the problem is. Boom. That guy right there. Gonna be replacing that guy. We'll replace that guy right there. We're gonna pop this guy off right here. We're gonna be replacing a few bits in there. We even got some on this side. We got ourselves an auto bleeder refill kit. That's gonna come in handy. Give us an excuse to use our brand new compressor with 200 of the pieces. We got all of our parts for the truck. This is just an extra tool I had laying around. Threw some gloves on, cracked these lines loose. Now this is the master cylinder. You're gonna wanna take this off. You take these two lines off, and then you've got one nut over here and one nut over there. Now a good idea would be to drain this, but ours is already almost empty, so wear some gloves. This stuff's corrosive, but otherwise just full send like you normally would. And pop that guy out, and just let that drip all over the floor. Don't bend these too far because you can break them, but now we should be able to get to this nut. All right, fellers, just like that. Get that guy. Here we go. I think ours was leaking maybe out of a seal back here. Could have been leaking out of there too, but. And this is the next guy to come out. There's 4 nuts on the other side. Down by the pedals here, you just gotta lean up in there and get your eyes right there. That's those 4 nuts. We're gonna have to disconnect it from the little pedal guide here. This is your brake pedal, and if you look up in here now, you'll see right there. That's the little pin we gotta pull, because we're gonna have to get this lever to come out before we can pull those nuts out. There's my tool of choice to get that guy off. Now, I went ahead and took that bolt out, and I believe now I can take a little washer, put it somewhere where I'm not going to lose it, because my carpet's loose and I already lost a nut back there. And boom, pedal's just swinging. I don't think I kept track of my hardware as good as I should have. There may be some stuff back there, but I believe we got all the nuts out of here. Come over from this side, should just be able to pop that guy out. But, you know, there we go. It worked. A little bit of a stroke of luck. Got some new nuts on here. Alrighty. There it is. From this point, just a matter of getting those nuts back on, and then we'll hook the pedal up. All right, we got all of our nuts tied up there, and then that guy's hooked up. That was quite the two-handed job there. And I think we're ready to go put a master cylinder back on. Bought the cheapest one I could find, C-Tech. And it is shiny.
I like the color.
It's already
like an FDE.
It's already pre-old.
Yeah.
You don't even have to wait for this thing to yellow.
That's flat dark earth.
It comes yellow.
Okay. Now what? Fluid?
No.
Oh,
Caliper.
caliper.
Look at that. That is just the worst rotor I have ever seen. I'm gonna have to take the brake line off and a couple of bolts out here and down there, a little special kind, and then we should be able to pop that off.
So what do you think, Kyle? Should we try to get these turned?
I definitely think we should.
Yeah. Huh, that is weird.
Isn't that weird?
That is a very weird.
This is a weird setup.
Yeah.
A sleeve and a bolt, and
And threads only on one side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Super weird. Well, whatever it is, it's high performance.
Oh, definitely.
All right, let's see what we
Cool.
got here. So,
Oh, wow.
that's one of our brake pads.
Whoa. Is that even... Oh, it doesn't even have any material on it.
No, but this one does.
Ooh. So that's the 1% breakage.
What's happening? How's our frame?
Surface rust.
And then we got a brand new bolt
Oh, cool.
for this brake line. That's cool. Oh, look, new copper washers. Cool.
So one washer on one side and one on the other.
Yeah, we're gonna need to mark this though, because the hole's only on one side.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna have to mark the tip of that point somehow.
Is that hole going to be aligned correctly? I think.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh, it looks like it, doesn't it? Maybe it's a smidge more.
Smidge?
Yeah, I guess that's a smidge.
So it just needs to be lined up with this?
Yep. I think that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Think a smidge more?
Yeah, a smidge.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Lined up.
Pro
Parallel.
tip.
Let's look at comparison.
Okay.
Let's look at the old one versus the new one.
Okay.
Look at how much material is not there on this one
Right.
versus here. So it's been metal to metal for what, probably 50,000 miles?
That thing lived its life metal to metal. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure you just kind of put that guy on like that.
Mm-hmm.
It's a holder.
Oh, look at that. Perfect.
Perfect. As they say, passenger side should be the same. Nope, got it. Couple ways to do this. You can grab your cheapest auto refill kit, an air compressor, or just one wrench and one friend. Book says to start with the right rear because it's the furthest from the master cylinder. So in theory, you would want to start here, get all the air out, and then go to the other side on the rear, then the front, and then the one closest to the master cylinder. It feels way better.
Like how much better?
8% better.